I'm a professor. I have another grocery haul for you today. This is a little different because we're getting ready for a holiday. So it's Easter holiday at the time of this recording. And so there's a few specialty foods here, but some that I wanted to share that you might not think of for your holiday. If you're thinking about making a special dessert for the holiday, I'll show you what kind of sugar substitute I use. And let's get started. All right, so I'll get some non-essentials out of the way here. Just paper plates. No biggie, that's really irrelevant. Now, okay, this is flour. I will not be consuming flour, but it is for the very traditional Easter pies that I make, which are savory. They're not sweet. They're Italian. That's what they're called in our area. And a lot of the family looks forward to it, so I still make it. So I'll need some flour for the crust. And I am thinking about making a keto coconut cream pie. So I will actually be using, for that pie crust, I have, if you've not seen it, Victoria's flour. It's made with bamboo fiber. That sounds gross, but it's very low carb and it's mixed in with almond flour. I'm going to try to make a pie crust with that for the keto coconut cream pie. I got some coconut extract. If the pie doesn't work out, I'll have berries on hand with some heavy whipping cream for me and for dessert. And the sugar I'm going to try, I've had allulose before, but this is a new brand, RX Sugar. It's real, it's rare, it's delicious. That's how it's advertised. It's plant-based, sugar-free friendly. Allulose has a similar effect of like the Ozempic medicines. When you eat it tells you you're not hungry, kind of slows down any blood sugar rise. If you have allulose with a carb, I'm not recommending that, but they just noticed that. And it's, I've had it before. If you want to bake something and you need to brown, then allulose is a really good choice. People who make egg white bread put a little allulose in it because it helps the egg white bread brown a little bit so it looks like bread. I also got the cream cheese it's either going to be a keto coconut cream pie or a keto cheesecake. And for my husband, I thought about making him, he said, do I get my smidgens from Gertrude Hawk's? And I said no. And so I might make him some chocolate peanut butter fat bombs for Easter. I'm creating a very ambitious schedule for me. All right, so I also got the full fat coconut milk for the unsweetened for the coconut cream pie. I have my usual very high fat, 10% milk fat yogurt. You know, I try to incorporate the 5% and I just end up being hungry the rest of the day. Now, this Easter pie that I make has ham, hard-boiled eggs, regular eggs, and a lot of cheese and sausage in it. So everything about it is keto except for the crust. I got 4 pounds, I make 5 pies, I give some of these away, of whole milk ricotta cheese. This is better than the kind you get in the store. It's not as watery, it's very thick. My mother-in-law used to call it dry ricotta, and I could eat it with a spoon. It's delicious. Part of that is they call this basket cheese. We know it as tuma cheese. So this is diced up and put inside the pie. So the pie has 15 eggs, where you mix all the stuff in, and then you have about 12 hard-boiled eggs. It's a lot of eggs. It's the perfect keto food. And then I bought some, this is imported Pecorino Romano, which goes in the pie, but I buy this all the time. It's probably, usually I think it's goat cheese. It has a tangier flavor. It's very, very good. So we have that around all the time to eat. So I'll do the protein first. Well, I'll stick with the Easter pie stuff. I have a little bit extra, but 2 pounds of sausage needed for the Easter pies, but I got 4 because my husband and I will make sausage patties, like hamburger patties out of them. We love them. And then I have this, I'm expecting about 15 or 16 people. This is a 17-pound whole ham. This is our local meat brand. They have a butcher shop, so we get that. And inside the Easter pie, I have extra ham slices so I can dice this up for the pie. That goes inside the Easter pie with the sausage. Another Easter favorite that we have for our holiday is called kielbasi, or smoked sausage. So we have 2 of those. And that's pretty much, and then my plan is to, the power went off. Oops. I plan to make shaved Brussels sprouts as our vegetable. I got some carrots because I'll make probably a vegetable tray with some celery for the holiday, but my husband likes to munch on that anyway. I got some asparagus for dinner tonight. I will be, this is for my non-keto guests, but I bought some sweet potatoes. I'll put a picture up in the video. I'll show you here. It's my famous sweet potato casserole. I don't eat it anymore, but it's pretty good. So it's a fan favorite. And as far the rest, the vegetable wise, I bought avocados. Again, I love to have these in the morning. Last night we made something different for the first time. I got the little tiny different colored peppers, like red, yellow, and orange. I cut them in half, and then I cooked some ground beef and some pulled chicken, and I put some clean taco seasoning on it, and I stuffed them with a little bit of meat, and I put cheese on it and put that in the oven until the peppers got cooked, and then I put the cheese on, pulled it out, put some avocado and sour cream on top. So instead of using tortilla chips, I used the little peppers, and they were good. So I put avocado on that, or I'll have it with my breakfast. I also love the Egg Life wraps. I always get them. Bought 2 packs, and I will make a breakfast burrito. They're only egg whites, and I'll scramble some eggs. I'll have lots of ham left over, I'm sure, so I can make a ham and cheese omelet or wrap with that. And then, for dinner tonight, I got a London broil for my husband and I. I'll make that with mushrooms and some asparagus. And as always, we love chicken thighs. Of course, we leave the skin on. We make it real crispy. I use the roasting on my oven. I have the roast button instead of just bake, and it puts the convection oven on, and it gets very, very crispy. Sorry, it's getting sunny and sun's going in and out here. And then finally, my old standby, my bacon. So that's our keto haul today for the holiday. The only thing I don't have, which I will not be eating, but I will put little mini marshmallows with brown sugar on that sweet potato casserole. And I believe that's it. I did do cream cheese. Okay, that's it. Hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great holiday. Maybe you can email me through the channel, and I'll let you know which recipe I'm using for the coconut cream pie. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.